I've been bad because I've been recording time lapses instead of actual footage. But I just wanted to hammer down and catch up on all my podcasts and just have a nice chill drive through Montana and Wyoming the last 2 days. So it's also going to let me get a nice easy edit day in next week so I can get caught up a little bit more. We're going to be traveling a bunch week after next, so right about when this episode comes out probably. And I won't have as much time for editing during that. But of course we won't be recording as much necessarily during that, so who knows, we'll see. We'll see. I'll try to record stuff still, but I don't know how much I'm going to be allowed to record because we're going to be somewhere cool. Stuff will be recorded and will get released, but not necessarily on my channel, so I will link you guys when I have more info about that when I can. There might be something below the video if I'm allowed to talk about it by the time this goes up, but certainly not yet. Everything's been worked out though. We are being kept near, we're going to be going back to Missoula and then flying somewhere from Missoula next week. And so that's why we're being kept out in the west. And we swapped off that load of seafood we picked up. That's in the hands of a prime driver now. You'll notice we are, oh wait, no, I didn't record that, never mind. I was like, you'll notice we're in a different parking spot. Well, the last place you saw was I-25, so. We are in Cheyenne now. But we're in a reserve spot because the prime driver didn't get here in time. So I'm like, well, I'm just going to pay for a spot so you guys have somewhere to drop the trailer. And then it's like, they drop this trailer, I drop mine. I got an actual parking spot because I got here when I said I was going to get here. They were supposed to be here waiting for me, and they were not because communication is difficult apparently. But yeah, so I dropped my trailer in a real spot and paid for this one. So they got here, all they had to do was back into this parking spot and drop off the trailer, and then I got to hook up to the trailer, and now I get the really good parking spot instead of the tight one over by the natural gas pumps. But once I stopped looking at at Flying J rewards points as money and started thinking of them as just free showers and parking, I've become a lot more okay with paid parking. I still generate points faster than I spend them on free parking, even as often as I use the reserve parking. So that's pretty great. We're sitting at about $115 worth of rewards points right now. So yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Keep that saved up. We might spend that on a new GPS at some point if I decide I need one. Probably not though. Probably just keep spending it on parking. But yeah, no. So we're gonna stay out here, out west, stick near Missoula, so we can get back in time to catch my flight next week. And tomorrow we're gonna be getting our APU worked on at Thermo King on the east side of Cheyenne. So that's the next step. So I will see you guys then. My name is MacLeod, AzerAngel17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in and say hi on on the Twitters at MacLeod, no apostrophe in the username. I've updated my username to reflect the fact that I binge watched a new TV series that YouTube just released called Impulse. It's really good. Go watch it if you can. It's the first 3 episodes are free, and then for the rest of the season, the other 7 episodes, you need YouTube Premium, YouTube Red, YouTube TV, one other paid services that comes with video streaming, and you'll be able to watch Impulse, and it's very good. The first 3 episodes get you a ton of the idea of what it's going to be like, so definitely check that out, and if you like it, do the free trial thing and watch the rest of them. And feel free to watch a bunch of my videos while you're on the free trial thing, because YouTube Red viewers generate more revenue than ads. Give me some of YouTube's free money. And honestly, y'all should probably be using YouTube Premium or YouTube Red or whatever they're calling it right now, just because, gosh, it's so nice to not have ads on YouTube. Y'all, seriously, just do it. It's so good. It's so good. I've had YouTube YouTube Red since it launched. I haven't watched an ad on YouTube in over a year. It's been wonderful. Y'all should really do that. Trust me, it's great. It's better for the creators. It's better for you. You can download videos and watch them offline if you have a cell phone, or if you're watching on a tablet, something like that. You get ad-free viewing on all of your devices. It's really great. And then you get a couple of free TV series. You got Impulse and Cobra Kai, which is a sequel to The Karate Kid, which is really good. Yeah, seriously, sequel to The Karate Kid, and it turned out good. You've also got a couple of original movies, like the Rooster Teeth guys had a movie called Laser Team that is on YouTube Red, as well as the sequel. So you can watch those if you'd like. Are you backing in next to us? Or are you going further down? You're going further down, all right. Yeah, YouTube Red's pretty great. And Impulse is a fantastic show. It's a girl. It's based on the Jumper novels by Stephen Gould. So Jumper, Reflex, Impulse, and Exo is that series. It's the same director that did the Jumper movie from the early 2000s, except he realized that movie kind of stunk and wanted to do it right. So this is a more intimate, less focused on the teleporting superpower thing, and more focused on the these are people dealing with trauma that just happen to have a superpower, and not a show about the superpower. So yeah, check that out. It's got some trigger warnings, so take those seriously if that's the kind of thing that's going to be bothering you, because that's a heavy plot point through the entire season. So much so that literally every episode starts with that trigger warning, and every episode ends with a rape crisis hotline call out. So yeah, definitely take that seriously if that's something you need to not be watching for your own mental health. But yeah, it's a great show. You should check it out. It's really good. I loved it. So now my username on Twitter, or not my username, but my my username, not my at. My at is Eliodare, no, without the apostrophe. But my actual my person name is Eliodare with the apostrophe, but with slow teleporter after it, because that's kind of what I do. I wake up somewhere different every day. So I just teleport somewhere between 58 and 62 miles per hour at a time. Right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Seriously, go watch Impulse. It's really good.